Welcome to the world's greatest time-traveling spectacle, the watch migration. One of the most incredible sights on Earth, the migration is shaped by some extraordinary behavior. We'll show you watches as you have never seen them before. Behind their precision-engineered facade is an unbelievably successful creature which uses a variety of strategies to ensure their numbers are constantly replenished. Join us as we travel with timepieces. Early morning as the sun rises over this hostile landscape is a tranquil time. The herd awakens. The need to satisfy their extreme thirst drives them to the watering hole. The shape of the land funnels the watchers to the water. Eventually, one takes the plunge and the entire herd follows. Amidst the serenity, danger lurks. Torn between fear and the need to drink, the herd scatters. In the aftermath of the tragedy, the alpha male regathers the survivors. Suddenly, in the distance, a challenger appears. The tension amongst the herd is palpable. Hostile encounters are rare outside the mating season, but dramatic when alphas clash. You can almost hear the challenger saying, "It's battle time." "Not with that, you're not," is the defender's response. Sadly, time is running out for this very old watch. He has made the journey many times, but this will be his last. As the sun sets on the distant horizon and a cool breeze sweeps across the planet, the remainder of the herd settles in for the night. Once thought of as purely nocturnal creatures, such claims from the likes of Professor Morgan Foster were exposed as lies and complete fabrication following the early domestication of watches. While the struggle for life is a constant battle, the sheer density of the species has ensured their survival up until now. In the meantime, this herd will continue on their endless journey through time.